What's up everybody, welcome back to Crewe's Craziest Cars. Today we'll be at a car show, mini car show really. We're at Crewe Park and some of these cars are pretty cool. So we've got people running down there, people setting up, and I'm gonna go show you some cars. It's kind of cold out, so yeah, I'm gonna do this quick. Right. We've got a Mercedes C 280 I think. It's a really nice one. We've got a nice Jaguar. The Jaguar on the roof. Then we've got, I think this is a Ford Focus maybe? I don't know. Yeah, I have no clue. Then we've got a Rover 3500. Fun fact, these had a Rover V8 in. They're ruining my video. Then we've got a really nice Jag here. One of my dream Jags. And we've got a Mini Cooper. I like these, I don't think they had those on stock. Just had a tiny V6 in. I can't remember the name of this MG. Wait, it's the only one. Then we've got, this is another version. I think that's an older version of that. I love these shapes. And then this is really, this was actually a Hot Wheels car about 4 years ago. It was a taxi. Then we've got this is like the Dodge SRT, I can't remember, the one that looks a lot like it. Then we've got another one of those MGs. We've got another one, the race car. And we've got another MG. I cannot for the life of me remember what some MGs are called. Oh, it has a V8 in it. I like that gear stick.
It kind of happened, you know, I didn't know whether it was going to chain up and
I can't remember the name of this one.
so he can prepare himself. You know, yeah.
And we've got a really nice World War I or World War II Jeep. No, Land Rover. Land Rover. Then we've got another Land Rover. And then we've got yet again another Land Rover. I love the insides of these. Look at that. See the little clocks in the dash. Then you will not guess what car this is. A Land Rover again. There's a Jeep over there. Might as well have a look at it later. This is the police department one. It's a really nice one. Look at that gear stick, man. And we've got like an inside for it. Nice inside. Then we've got another Land Rover. There's another one over there. Look at the wheel. Have you all seen the dam commercial with the Land Rover going off the dam? Pretty cool. Look at that exhaust. Then over here, I don't actually know what this could be. Why has it gone blurry? Why has it gone blurry? Why has it gone blurry? Right, it's gone blurry. I don't have a clue what the heck this is. I'm not that good with war stuff. It says Frida on it though. Ah, loud compressor. It's pretty nice. We've got a drinking bus over there. This is another Land Rover. You wouldn't have guessed it, would you? Not funny at all, that wasn't. We've got some guns over here. We've got an off-roading toy Jeep, a Land Rover. We've got some more Jeeps over here. Then over there, we've got, like, I think they converted it into a home actually. I saw this yesterday. Don't know what's going on over there. We've got an army guy. Hello. Then I'm pretty sure this is to peek around walls. Got a 47. Oop, 47 right there. Pistol. The old telephones, which are pretty cool. Then we've got ammo crate. That's pretty cool actually. I wonder what's in there. I've got a couple lights. Really cool. If you were here yesterday, there was a tank parked here. Oh, I can't remember what it was. It was like a tank. Yeah. At this show, we've got a lot of stuff. I'll see you at the next show. Peace out.